So guess what I'm doing? Well, I'm packing again. We are going to Norway, Oslo today, and I am a little bit frustrated because I can't find my watch. And I really want to have it. I have no clue where it is. I just hope I didn't forget it in London somewhere, like at the hotel. That would be pretty sad. So yeah, we're going to Norway, Oslo today and doing a class. Actually, two classes. Tomorrow there's a nail art class, excuse the trash. So we're doing a nail art class tomorrow, and then on Sunday, half day social media, and yep. That's it. I also got like kind of an ear infection like 2 days ago. Very excited about flying. I've been taking like a full pharmacy of pills for the past 1 days. So hopefully that's gonna work. I took one pill this morning, and then I had a spray thing, and then I have another spray thing, and then I have an ear spray thing, and then I'm gonna take 2 painkillers with like a mixture of something before taking off, and then I have special earplugs. Oh my god. Wish me luck. Back to my second home, Arlanda. So the plan now is that I actually arrived a little bit early today because I need to go and check out Victoria's Secret because I need some new underwear. And then I have a phone meeting at 1 p.m. So after I've been checking Victoria's Secret out, I actually need to go to the lounge, and then I need to grab something to eat because I need to have food together with the painkillers that I'm gonna get. So Victoria's Secret, lounge, food, medicine, and phone meeting. And then I need to work with the web shop as well because we are, as you know, converting it into be an international shop. So I need to translate so much. Nu får du vara med! Hallå! This is gonna be in English.
Välkommen! Och jag kanske ska se in i kameran.
Ja, men där.
Hallå!
This is Teresa. She's been on my channel before. So this is your studio salon.
Yeah,
Teresa. And what's the web address?
It's oslonegler.no.
I'm gonna write it down here. So this is where we're gonna do the class. So we're gonna have one class tomorrow, nail art, and then day after that we're gonna do social media and nail photography. So we are just about to set everything up. So I will show you in a little bit. But first, I'm gonna get the grand tour, and you're gonna get the grand tour. So let's.
It's so cute. Foot pedicure, foot therapist in here.
Okay,
yeah,
very
so
nice.
It's very
Yes.
And here we have a girl that's like microblading and
Oh, it's cool.
Yeah. So they could probably hear us.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, probably.
Bathroom.
It's a bathroom.
Yeah.
Very cute bathroom. Oh, it smells good in here. Oh, it smells so good in here. That's important.
Here's the kitchen. And it's a bit messy now, but I'm gonna clean it later before everyone gets here.
That is so cute.
My grandmother made it.
Oh, really?
It's beautiful. And I'm gonna paint the floor white here as well.
Oh, no, but I like it like this.
You do?
Yes, I
It
do.
was actually black outside here before, but you see it gets...
No, but I like it that you have it white out here and then black in here. I think it's cozy.
Oh, okay.
I think you should keep it.
Cool. Okay, let's do a vote. Then we'll go downstairs. downstairs.
Go downstairs. Oh, you have it downstairs.
I have it downstairs.
Ooh. Studio stark. Stark?
Yeah, it's like strong.
Yeah.
Like me. Okay. Careful. There's people here.
Okay, there's people here. That's lush. It's so pretty. Oh, what's in here? I'm sneaking. Oh my god. Hello.
She does like a lot of waxing and
Okay, and in here?
what's it called? Like
Lash
like
extensions.
waxing. Yeah. No. Yeah. The lash. Like
A volume.
Yeah.
Mm.
The lip. Yeah. They do like Brazilian, so don't go in
Oh,
there.
no, we're not gonna go in here.
Just we're breaking in. So get this on camera.
Okay.
And here we have a cosmetic nurse.
Ooh. Oh wow, you have. This is huge.
Everything.
Oh wow. And she does what?
Like cosmetic, like injections and
Ooh.
Botox. We have the Botox party.
Cool. Well,
I haven't done it.
I'm getting my Botox next week, but it's for migraines.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't need it for my appearance, obviously, but I get it for my migraines.
Neither.
Here's a little room.
A little bit.
I love the style. It feels very cozy.
Thank you.
It's like you really want to schedule something just to be here.
And then we have like a small unicorn.
And there's my unicorn.
Yeah.
And Easter stuff.
Yeah.
And we're gonna film this tomorrow as well when this is all set up, of course. Or maybe even tonight. And this is beautiful. Alright, so welcome to my humble little room. It's very cozy, I would say. Single bed. And this is a fun part. I think I have a balcony. This is a balcony, right? Oh my god, I have a balcony. What? No chairs though. And he has a table. This view though, it's pretty nice. So I'm gonna stay here for 2 nights. Not complaining at all, but it would be nice with some furniture out here. Or I'll just, I don't even have a table inside. I'll just bring that chair outside if I wanna sit out here, I guess. Probably won't, but anyways, pretty bouncy. TV, mirror, and let's check out the bathroom. Oh, here's the bathroom. It's nice. I probably need to take a shower and wash my hair tonight, so I think this looks pretty neat. I love Scandic in general. Scandic usually have very nice hotel rooms and hotels in general, so I'm happy. Teresa, she wanted to continue cleaning up a little bit in the salon or her studio. So she's gonna do that, and then she's gonna call me, and then we're gonna take a little stroll around town. So we're gonna have dinner, and she's just, gonna give me a mini tour of Oslo city, like the center part. I'm happy to be here. I really like Oslo, so so it's gonna be nice. Now I'm just gonna chill for a little bit. And that's it.
Okay, but I might say something wrong.
This is Teresa, our Norwegian guide.
Yes.
The Oslo tour. She has been pointing at houses and said that that's a pretty house. I don't know what it is.
It's a nice building.
It's a nice building.
Yeah.
This is kind of the harbor.
Yeah, this is Aker Brygge. Aker Brygge. Yes. And here, like, people hang out when they think they're cool. I don't know.
When they're cool.
So that's where we're going.
Okay, we're going to some cool place. I'm actually quite hungry right now. How about you?
Yeah, we're gonna find some carbs.
Yeah, we were just talking about carbs.
Yeah.
So we need carbs. So we're gonna have some pasta somewhere.
I love carbs.
Yes, me too.
Yeah.
This is the carb place. It looks very cozy. Carbs, 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 carbs. Carbs. Gnocchi. I just explained to Teresa it's fat. This is like potato and pasta into one. So it's a explosion of carbs. Let's dig in. Ooh, I am so full. Dinner was really good, and it was nice hanging out with Teresa, of course. After that, we just went to Espresso House, got ourselves some tea, because you always have to end every meal with some tea. And then went to the store. I grabbed some chips and chocolate and candy. I thought I was gonna have the munchies tonight, but I don't because I'm still super full. But it's nice to, you know, just have it around. Maybe I will need it tomorrow. You never know. I've been doing some work, actually. I just finished a work email. I got that sent off, and now I'm gonna hit the shower. Gonna wash my hair because I don't want to look like a grease ball tomorrow, and I do want to curl it, and it's like on the verge of being gross and greasy. And you know, especially when flying, you get greasy and gross whatever you do, so it's just nice to take a shower. After that, I might watch something on my computer and then just go to bed. And the nice thing with Scandic hotels is that they usually have a really, really good breakfast buffet, so I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully they have some warm food because I'm up for that. I'll see you tomorrow. Time for some nail art fun time. Whatever. Shut up. Can we just finish this off? All right. Bye. Good morning, sunshines. Had a good night's sleep. Well, it was actually a little bit stressy because the medication I'm taking for my ear, one of the side effects is that you get a little bit nervous, anxious, I don't know. It would have been a nice sleep if it wasn't for my medication. But anyways, I need to take it, so I'm ready. I'm gonna head downstairs for the amazing buffet that I've heard so much about. Then heading over to Therese's salon, and it's like 2 minutes from here, so it's super convenient. Quick little check here. This is what I'm gonna wear today, like this. Let's get this party going. So they do really have a really great buffet. The only thing I don't really like is that it's very noisy and there's almost like no single tables. It's just that those huge tables, so you get like no real privacy. And right now I am in the aisle where everyone goes out to get their food, so it's not really relaxing. I was hoping that it was gonna be a little bit more calm, but you know, hopefully the food is good and it looks very good. So I'm gonna dig in now. God morgon! Åh, titta!
Er det okej?
Ja.
Er du sikker? Jeg satt og strøket, men fortsatt er den like rynkete.
Vi testar. Okej, du behåller det där, eller?
Jeg tror det.
Ja, men det blir bra. Ja, och så gjorde du så där istället.
Flytte, ja.
Ja.
Hallo! Velkommen, det var veldig hyggelig at dere ville komme hit i dag. Jeg var ikke så bra for det her.
Ja, men det... Har du träffat alla tidigare?
Nei, jeg har ikke träffat alla. Det var noen elever her av meg, så det var veldig hyggelig. Så vi tar som vi jobber litt sammen med.
Du lärde det?
Ja, jeg lærte det for ELEGANCE. Det er det svenske også.
Och så kommer ju Therese vara våran fysiska kock för morfärdsprogrammet nu. Och sen så var ju Therese med till USA förra året, till ELEGANCE, till högkvarter där och var med på hela educator-trainingen. Och så tänkte jag att när ni är klara så sätter ni er på en plats bara så ska vi säga tack och hej och lite sånt. Och så tänkte jag att när jag ropar upp er så vi får skicka vidare de här tror jag. Vi lägger den där. Det är Frida. Och Aina. Och Linda.
Several bad puns later.
What's up? I totally forgot to vlog once I finished up the class and then going out for dinner and just chatting with Teresa. But you know what? We needed that time to just kind of space out and, you know, enjoy ourselves, I guess, and just having some food. Yeah, we went out and I got a pasta bolognese, more pasta because carbs is life. And then we went to Espresso House and we of course got ourselves a tea because now this is a tradition here in Oslo when at least me and Teresa is hanging out. So cheers to that. And then I also got okay, hang on. Because I felt that I wanted some kind of dessert at home or here at the hotel. So I got a mud cake. So I'm gonna have that now. So good. Like one of my favorite things in the whole world. Of course, chocolate, like every other girl in the world, but it is what it is. Chocolate it is. So with that said, I've had an amazing day. It's been a great class. It was a really fun group and I'm happy that it was actually full house. I wasn't really aware of that before I came here, but it was a full house. So every single seat at the class was taken. I can't wait to come back and do more classes and collaborations with Teresa because yeah, it was so much fun and I love her salon and it is super cozy. I really like that and love just hanging out with Teresa anyway. So yeah, definitely gonna come back. And tomorrow we have well, I'm not done because tomorrow we have social media and nail photography for 3.5 hours starting at 10 a.m. Mud kick, more tea, just watching some TV I guess, and then going to bed and then yep, breakfast tomorrow. All right, thank you for watching today.